In April, LLC Sovelmash continued preparations for putting the facility into operation. This included setting up equipment, refining processes, improving developments, and other activities. The facility received new machines necessary for the production of Sovelmash products. A new area for working with rubber was created, where new equipment was installed. A CNC gear cutting machine arrived, which will allow the production of everything related to gears. Stator and rotor segment dies were delivered. The installation of the mold was carried out. Measures were taken to protect people from exposure to laser radiation and dust. For this purpose, the laser cutting area was isolated from the rest of the production shop. PVC curtains were installed around the machines. The air filtration system was being connected, and exhaust hoods were being installed above the machines. Controllers arrived in Moscow from China. Their delivery to LLC Sovelmash was arranged. 2 foreign specialists arrived at the enterprise. One was a specialist from China for setting up and launching the crank slider press, and the other was a technician from Turkey for adjusting the high-pressure die casting machines. Both began performing their duties. As part of the press setup and commissioning, the first serial product was manufactured, a stator for a built-in drive for a handheld power tool. The invited specialists from China and Turkey worked together with the Sovelmash employees to set up the equipment. The first test casting of the gearbox housing for the angle grinder was successfully carried out. At the equipment and mold setup stage, the casting was done without pressure. The process of obtaining the certificate of construction completion continued. The company made another round of revisions based on the comments from the regulatory authorities and resubmitted the documents for approval. LLC Sovelmash specialists completed the annual financial and tax reporting, demonstrating transparency and compliance with legal standards in the company's operations. From April 2nd to 7th, the solar boat with an electric motor based on Slavyanka was showcased at the International Water Transport Exhibition Nautika in Belgrade. The boat with solar panels was prepared by the Solar Group partner team from Macedonia, led by Goran Nesteski. The boat motor was developed by the manufacturing cooperative Rezurs. Visitors rated the boat with Slavyanka as the most eco-friendly and authentic exhibit at the show. Several Serbian captains, as well as representatives from local authorities and television, visited our booth. During the exhibition and afterwards, a number of important business meetings were held. Andrei Lobov, the director of PK Rezurs, along with Macedonian and Serbian partners, met with a high-ranking official from Serbia and manufacturers of solar catamarans. We discussed the possibility of installing electric motors on the catamarans at Slavyanka and creating a tourist fleet with electric traction on the Danube. A mechanical engineer from Krasnoyarsk installed DA95S Slavyanka combined winding electric motors on his snowmobile, replacing the Chinese BLDC motor. The motor was provided to him by the Rezurs Production Cooperative. The owner of the vehicle was very pleased with the test results in the snowy Siberian forest. Among the advantages, he noted the high torque, which is important for tough snow conditions, and the excellent coasting, which provides smooth movement, something the Chinese magnetic counterpart completely lacked. He also mentioned energy savings, which allows a lighter generator to be installed on the snowmobile, plus simplicity, reliability, and long service life. In April, we implemented a number of updates to the personal account to make it more convenient for you to use the Solar Group investment platform after it was expanded to 2 projects. Now you can see the number of your shares, investor and partner ratings, and partnership activity statistics for each project, separately. In addition, we removed the share registration feature, since shares automatically belong to you after payment. We translated the personal account into Serbian so that investors and partners from Serbia, where the project is currently developing actively, can comfortably and fully access information about the projects. Now our platform is available in 24 languages. Bonuses for account top-ups in the personal account with cryptocurrency as part of the crypto bonus promotion. Top up your main account in the personal cabinet with any cryptocurrency by June 11th and receive up to 15% of the deposit amount as a bonus. The bonuses you receive can be used to purchase shares in the new generation airships and Duyunov Motors projects. Especially for holders of packages from the Gold Collection, we have prepared merch with a designer print inspired by the Slavyanka combined winding scheme. We've also designed stylish packaging and are already sending out the guests. If you want to have unique items that serve as a reminder and remind you of your contribution to the project, you need to purchase a Gold Collection package in a single payment. Find the link with more details in the description.